If you fall and become injured on someone else's property, know that you very well may have a claim. We understand the jokes out there about slip and fall cases, trip and fall cases, but the reality is there are some very dangerous and hazardous situations out there that cause people to get really, really hurt. And when that happens, you want to make sure that you look and see if you've got a claim. Just because you get hurt on someone else's property does not automatically mean that they're responsible for your injuries. You have a burden of proof to show they did something wrong. Number one, you have to show there was a hazard on the property. Was there a liquid left on the floor that was slippery? Was there a walking surface that was uneven for some reason? Number two, you have to show that that property owner or that property manager was aware that that hazard existed or should have been aware that it existed. The last thing you have to show is that you as the consumer, as the pedestrian, were not aware of the problem. Because if you knew some hazards on the floor and didn't take steps to avoid it, then the law says, you're just as responsible for this happening. If you are hurt on someone's property, there's a few steps that would be very helpful for you to take. Number one, make sure you report the incident to a manager so they can document it, they can create an incident report. Number two, if you can, take a picture of whatever hazard it was that caused you to fall so that you can make sure you show that picture to show why it was that something was wrong on the property. Number three, if there's any witnesses around, get their name, get their phone number so that they can help down the road. And number four, make sure you immediately go seek medical attention so that any injuries that you have, you can get taken care of.